Hey guys, my name is Joshua Kemp. I'm here in Fairfield, Iowa to talk to you a little bit about meditation. And I figured this was a perfect setting because this is a community centered around meditation. First, I want to talk to you and kind of give a metaphor for your mind. It's one that was talked about in Mental Resilience, book that I've read, about how your mind is kind of like a glass of water, and the more stress and emotion that you feel, the more mud gets put into the water, and when you meditate, all that mud settles down to the bottom. And a common misconception about meditation is that meditation is only for holy people. And that is something that is completely wrong. Meditation is simply the practice of focused thinking. And anybody can do it, and there's so many different benefits for it. When you meditate, it gives you a sense of peace and happiness, and there's a lot of health benefits to it. And I want to talk to you about all of that today. Um, we're all in life looking for the same thing. We all want to experience life in a wonderful way. And we're all looking for help, and we're all looking for a sense of peace and happiness. And one of the things I think that really helps with that is meditation. I personally have been meditating for a while now, and the moment I started meditating, I just started to feel uplifted. All my stress, all my negative emotions, everything just started to fall away, and life itself just seemed better in some way. And that's one of the most amazing things about meditation is that it gives you a sense of calm in your mind, and you're able to handle things much better. There's so many healthy benefits to it. Huffington Post actually talks about how you have a healthier body with meditation, and then also it talks about how you have a clearer mind and are able to handle things a lot better. And one of the things that it helps do is that it lowers your blood pressure, which is really good for people that have any sort of high blood pressure problems or heart problems, and it also increases your circulation. Huffington Post also talked about how it could possibly reverse heart diseases. Mental resilience also then talked about how it enhances your immune system. And everybody knows that when you have a balanced and good immune system, that you're less likely to get sick and your body is able to function a lot more properly. Another article that I had found talked about how it clears your mind. Mental resilience also talked about the same thing, going back to the metaphor of water, of a clear glass of water. And meditation is not clearing your mind of all thoughts. It just helps your mind relax. And by your mind relaxing, your mind is able to move a lot faster, you're able to process things a lot better. And that's one thing that I truly did notice, is that when I meditate, I'm able to focus a lot better. My neurons are firing a lot faster and able to actually think a little bit better. And that's just an amazing thing. I meditate and I am able to focus. And when you meditate too, your overall life experience seems to increase because your emotions just all fall, or all your bad emotions and negative thoughts all fall away. And the Mayo Clinic actually talked about how your overall life experience, it can be increased from meditation, and it also talked about how it reduces negative emotions and depression. A article that I found on our EBSCO post talked about how there was this clinical study that people who meditated, especially those with psychological disorders, were able to actually have a much better well-being mentally because of meditation and it falling all of that stuff away. It's amazing how meditation helps you have a healthier body and a clearer mind and just increases your overall life experience. And I strongly encourage everybody to do this. Meditation is just something to help you feel better about life and everything in it. It's not just for something for people who are spiritual or anything like that. And here in Fairfield, this community is centered around meditation. Their university here is even centered around meditation and teaching it. And this place actually has 51% less of violent crimes than the rest of the entire nation. And that's something that I found on areavibe.com. And I think that if everybody in the world were to meditate, then we could actually have something similar to this. We could actually maybe know something similar to world peace and just having a peaceful world where everybody is able to exchange ideas and live happily. Thank you for your time. Namaste.